Good boy.
There you go. Good job. Here.
Did James send me sweet?
Yes.
Stand up. Stand up. Do you want to go get it?
Because when you cut the frog's head
You're going to have to let go.
I was going to say, he's too close to you.
That's the broomstick?
What if I hold it?
And you saw the starting of the... Well, I don't look at it.
Look, Logan, Mommy has the chicken. See? Chicken. Right here. You want it?
And that's one of the fun...
You want to come get it? Yeah, come get it, sweetie. Come on. There you go. Come get it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Look at you go. Good job. Good job. Ready? Well, we got him on film.